On March 24, 2023, shortly after 8 o'clock in the afternoon, Rolling Fork, Mississippi was struck by a destructive and deadly tornado with winds of 195 miles per hour. Over 20 deaths are linked to this storm, and over 160 injuries were reported. Many of the local businesses and homes were completely destroyed, leaving thousands or possibly millions of dollars in damage. Due to the mass destruction, President Biden and the Mississippi governor recently visited the site. There is a lot of work that is needed in order to rebuild Rolling Fork, and we need your help. Shortly after the storm, we received a call from Cedric Finley, minister with the Inner City Church of Christ in Kansas City, Missouri. He had seen the devastation on the news and wanted to help. Harold Jacobs, elder with the Thomas Boulevard Church of Christ in Port Arthur, Texas, also saw the news and reached out, wanting to support this disaster relief. In an effort to formalize this disaster relief effort, we had several meetings with the city board and mayor to discuss the channeling of relief funds. On July 5th, the mayor later identified a lifelong community member whose house was destroyed in the storm. We met with this senior community resident and found out that there was no insurance on the house and no means to restore. In an effort to provide immediate support to the senior resident, the Senatobia Church of Christ teamed up with William Davis, owner of Davis Construction Company. On July 11th, William assessed the damages, and on July 14th he began construction to restore the home of this resident. The total cost of this restoration will be $120,000. If you would like to donate to this effort, you can scan the GoFundMe QR code displayed on the screen or click on the link in the description below. You can also mail your donations to the Senatobia Church of Christ. We will greatly appreciate any financial support you can give toward this relief effort.